Welcome dear student. Today I am going to talk about the stethoscope, its definition, parts of stethoscope and the function of stethoscope. So the stethoscope is a medical device that is used for auscultation. The stethoscope parts. Stethoscopes have a head seat. This hole is called the head seat. From this point to this point is called the head seat. So the head seat have ear tips. These are called the ear tips, these two, which is made of plastic or silicone. And this is called a metal tube, which actually connect the ear tips to the tubing. It is made of metal, steel. And this is called the tubing. From this area up to this, which actually connect the ear tubes or metal tubes to the chest piece. This is called the tubing. Their length is from 55 centimeter up to 80 centimeter. It is made of polyvinyl compound. And this is called a chest piece. This hole is called a chest piece. This is the stem of the chest piece. And this is the diaphragm of the chest piece, which actually record the high pitch sound. And this rubber ring, which actually fix the diaphragm in position. This is called a non-chill ring. And this is the drum of the chest piece. And this is the bell of the chest piece, which actually used to record the low pitch sound. So the function of the stethoscope is to record the sound that are produced in the body organs, mainly in the heart, lungs, the blood vessel that is produced as a result of blood flow. So this was all about the stethoscope. For more videos, subscribe, like and share.